Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. Along with Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. The EA Sports crew is in place. The players are ready to go. What's the message here, Ray?
I don't know that there can be a message other than it's so obvious. If you're the team in the lead, it's a chance to stretch the series. If you're the team behind, you got to close that gap. Critical game.
Opening face-off just moments away. A critical game for both sides here, and we are underway. And he makes the save. Puck grabbed by Landeskog. The Avs carry it along the wall. Puts it on net. Gets a glove on it to make the save.
Landeskog's crease crasher zone ability means he's great at hunting down rebounds to get in on the scoring. Yossi's known for making those long breakout passes to spring his teammates. That's his send-it zone ability, and it can really get things going. One of these players is going to help give their team the upper hand tonight. Guys, back to you.
Moves it to Carrier. Sends a pass over. Here he is in close. Oh, I thought he was going to be beaten, and he somehow got a piece of that. Takes the feed. Here's a short pass to Rantanen. With possession along the wall. Lets the wrister fly. His reflexes on display tonight. Scrum ensues along the boards. Forsberg's got it into offensive territory. Oh, he caught him in the open ice. Makes a move in front. Can't connect on the pass. Moves the puck. Gains the zone from the right. And that's broken up in the defensive zone by Carrier. Puck picked up by Duchesne. The Predators played along the wing. Pinned up along the boards. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Burakovsky. The Predators gain control of the puck against the wall. That pass doesn't go. A chance! Denied by the goaltender. And that's off a stick. And he takes a shot. Denied by the puck stopper. Takes the feed from the goaltender. And no luck on that pass attempt. Oh, had a chance to make a nice move, and the puck disagreed with him.
He's got great hands, and I understand why he wants to try.
He scores! And a big one from there!
That's a pretty critical goal in the playoffs here. It's his first ever. They tell you it doesn't have to hit the back of the net. It's just got to get over the goal line for it to count. That one does. The goalie had a big chunk of it. Just not enough.
Colorado's found their skating legs here in the back half of the first.
Well, it's amazing, too. Once you get a goal, now you're going to feel a little more energetic.
Moves it quickly over to Girard. Trying to engage a little physicality here. Nashville's got the puck. Passes the puck over to Girard. Here they come on the attack. And that's intercepted by Sissons.
Nashville's read the play just perfectly tonight. It's like they have the book of the way the game is going to be played. Every time there's a moment of space that's available, they seem to shut it off. O'Connor's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
McKinnon's ankle breaker zone ability is when he undresses defenders at high speeds before they can react, guys. Not only does he move quickly, but he reads the game just as fast.
The Avs take it along the wall and puts the body into it, a little bumper car hockey. Takes a shot. Glove save made by Riddick. Goaltender covers up. We got a stoppage in play.
Landeskog's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Late goings of this period. Colorado's up 1-0. The Avs will go to work here in the offensive zone. Oh, look Look at the glove save by Riddick. Center's gliding up to the face-off dots here. Colorado's won the draw. Puts it on net, and that goes off a player. Here he is in front. It's in. It goes off the post and into the net.
I've always thought they should be able to fix the goalpost so every puck that hits the post somehow ends up in the net.
Spoken like a true goal scorer.
Oh, the heck with the goalies. They got enough equipment on. This is a stick handling clinic here. It looks like he's out of room about 3 times, and he pulls another dangle out of the bag. And then he finishes it off for good measure. What a great play.
That goal is the byproduct of his puck-on-a-string superstar ability, guys. His stick handling opened up some space, and he puts one up on the board.
And now it's grabbed by Ekholm. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. And there it is. 20 minutes is in the books of this one. The Avs get the start they were preaching about at the morning skate. They lead 2-0. And as both teams head to their respective rooms, 2 more periods still to come. We're looking forward to it here on EA Sports. Opening face-off for period number 2, about set to go. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Oh, it uses the blocker to stop that one. Nice save by Riddick.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
Here's a shot, and he comes up with it. Goaltender's at the bench with the delayed penalty being called. They've got an extra attacker now on the ice. There's the whistle, penalty coming up. They're calling slashing on the play, Ray.
Penalty of frustration in a lot of cases.
Rantanen's aware he's got more ice to work with on this power play here. This could be a great time for him to try using his zone ability and maybe even help the team put one past the goalie.
The Predators take possession off the faceoff. Puck dumped in. The Avs have it against the wall. Steps inside the line. Here he is in front and makes the save. In front of the net, the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play. Duchesne's gliding in for the face-off as this penalty kill will continue. The Avs win it. Puck scooped up by Girard. And he gets in the lane to block that. And they won't connect on that one. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Quick pass to Rantanen. Here's a chance. Oh, what a denial by Riddick. And that's just out of reach. Takes the pass as he banks it off the wall. Takes the feed. Man advantage is up. Both teams back to even strength.
Pretty hard to have a more low-intensity power play than that. They really didn't generate a thing, and when you don't generate much, you're sure not going to score.
Poked away. The Avalanche have the puck against the boards. Oh, what a stop by Riddick. There's the whistle. Penalty coming up. Well, that escalated quickly. He's getting thrown from the game here. Game misconduct is the call.
Yeah, he's going to feel pretty embarrassed as he's got to walk by his teammates. He's done for tonight.
And their first chance to use the man advantage.
First chance of the night for the power play. The guys are pretty excited to get out there and see if they can get on the board.
Colorado's won the draw. Quick feed to Johansson. Snaps it onto the net. Oh, and he somehow got a little piece of it, and it stays out of the net. And he denied that opportunity.
Doesn't look like much, but the defensemen are helped out by this puck being in the corner.
Taken by Murray. Nashville's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Drives to the crease. Shuts him down. Moves it to Kadri. The Avs take it along the wing. Takes a shot. What a save by Riddick. Along the wing up the neutral zone. From one point man to another. Gives them nothing in front.
Yeah, he does a nice job here finding the puck as it works its way through. He's got to pick it up somewhere amongst all that traffic.
Nashville's ready to go on the attack. Chance right in front. Stopped by the goaltender. And that's taken away in the offensive end by Johansson. Answered the call there.
Kemper's save percentage has been outstanding. You come to expect that from him, and it's kind of nice when the forwards do their part too.
Great read with the stick. Nashville's on the attack. Takes a shot. Goalie with a stop. From the left side, he moves it up ahead. Colorado's got it along the wall. Takes a shot, and that's turned aside by Riddick. The Predators are on the attack. Here's a short pass to Duchesne. Shoots it, denied by the goaltender. Taken along the wall by Duchesne. Slides that one right across the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Granlund. And that banks off a stick. Pokes it away in his own end. The Avs get a hold of the puck undermanned.
McDermott's up and ready to join the play.
Colorado's penalty killers deserve a huge pat on the back after killing off that major.
Well, the power play went away pretty quickly there, didn't it? Nothing earned on a major penalty. That's a tough one to swallow.
Through center along the wing. And now he passes it to Tolvanen. Nice feed from the right wing. Colorado's looking to break out of their own end. Quick pass to McKinnon. Takes it to the front. Decides to think about it. And that's a great heads up in the defensive zone to force the turnover.
Nashville's worked hard to be in the right position tonight. They've had their skating legs, and they're stealing pucks all over the place.
Here in the late goings of the period, the Avs are currently sitting in the driver's seat, leading 2-0. Face-off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Moves it over to Ekholm. Quick feed to Jeannot. Makes a move, and the puck hops away from him.
Jeannot's trying to change this game all by himself. That's not...
And scores! That's 3 in a row!
This is turning into an onslaught. There seems to be no way to slow them down. Man, it looks like a bus depot in front of the net. You know it's a tough one when you can't see the goalie. That means he can't see the puck.
The Avalanche have added a big-time goal to extend the lead to 3 now.
Well, now the game's starting to get close to running away from everybody here. It's a big lead, a dominant performance so far.
Takes it to the net. Big-time stop.
Kemper's somehow able to make this save. I think from my position that this is going in the net, but he gets just enough of it.
Handles the puck. Well, the ice has sure looked tilted after 40 minutes of play as the second period comes to an end.
Hey fans, don't forget to enter tonight for our team signed poster, which will give away before the end of the game.
And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third. Alongside Ray Ferraro between the benches, I'm James Cebulski, ready to bring you period number 3. It's been a total mismatch here as we get underway for the third. Let's see if anything changes. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. 3-0 is the score. The Avs win it. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. There's the whistle, icing the call. And both centers glide into the dot as a face-off set to resume. Colorado's got it in the defensive zone.
This will help them get out of the zone and rest their players.
Here's an opportunity, and a great save. Quick feed to Duchesne. The Predators take it across the line. Wrist shot from the slot. Stones them in front. The Avs will play it from the defensive zone. Streaking through center, they go on the attack. The Predators have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Puck grab by McCarr. Colorado's got it in their own zone. Nichushkin's going to play it against the half wall. Scores!
James, they might as well put both goalies in the other net there. That's 4 in a row for them. When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it.
Colorado's all smiles on the bench next to you, aren't they?
Yeah, they're having lots of fun. Not so much on the other side where this night has been a nightmare.
Nashville's won the draw. The Avs take possession in the defensive end. One-on-one with the goaltender. And it kind of falls apart.
I thought he was clean in, and then you're right. It falls apart. He gets nothing for that.
Still lots of time left in the period. The Avs have a 4-goal lead. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Nashville's got it in their own zone. And he slides it quickly to Duchesne. And that's picked off. The Predators gain possession in their own end. Great poke by Helm. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. Things starting to get a little physical out there. Stops them cold. The Predators move the puck in the defensive zone.
Colorado's defense has been exceptional. They've defended well, kept the front of the net clean, and whenever there's a rebound, they get it out of there fast.
Coming down the left wing and into the zone. Oh, what a glove save by Riddick. Nice feed at center, moves up ahead now. Comes up with the stop. Puck is frozen, and we get a stoppage in play.
That's a pretty good scoring chance. That's a chance the shooter thinks might go in, but the goalie turns it aside.
Well past the midway mark of this period, it's 4-0. This has been a one-sided affair right from the get-go. Chance in front! Oh, he got all of that! What a save by Kemper!
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Moves it to Kunin. And that one's broken up. Puck picked up by Johnson. Through the neutral zone up along the wing. He's got a step. Great stop by the goaltender.
Positioning and quickness. That's the day right there.
Now a quick pass to Girard. Colorado's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. Centering pass! And oh, so close on that play. Coonan swooping in on the attack. Here's a short pass to Kubel. And he serves it across to Kadri. They've got numbers here. Oh, gets a little piece of it and keeps it out of the net. Along the right wing, they enter the attacking area. The Avs have it from their own end. Under a minute to go in the third. Denies the shooter on that play. No room for that one to get through. That pass goes a little sideways. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. The Avs gain control of the puck. Here they come. Colorado's got it now. Takes the puck behind the net. And that's a smart heads-up play by Echo. Nice stick work to knock the puck loose. Moves it around along the half wall. Moves it quickly over to Kubel. And that's intercepted by Forsberg. And there's the final horn, bringing this one officially to an end. A big-time performance in a big-time moment here in this series.
Looked to me early on, James, like he was rock solid. He was locked in. And as it turned out, over the 60 minutes, he was fantastic.
Well, that closes the book on this playoff barn burner for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. We will see you as the playoffs roll on towards the quest for the cup.